Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, I made another hole trimmer for my 20 gauge. This one's a little more modern, if you want to say. And yes, the history. Well, history of this thing. Well, this steel little conduit came from a paper towel holder. You know, you get your main mast, and then they usually have another one on the side that sticks up. I always take those off, and I didn't throw it away. It was threaded on one end, it's hollow on the inside. I did have to put another nut inside of here. And yes, I flared it out and JB welded a nut in there, and it's solid. For what I need it for, it doesn't need to hold a lot of tension on it. I could have taken it to work and used our spot welder to, put that nut, fasten that nut inside of this tube. But anyway, and so this all thread rod comes in, and it touches one side of the blade. This bolt goes in and backs up the other side of the blade, so I can sandwich this blade in here so it doesn't fall out. I just took my hacksaw and I made a little slit in the top. And then I took my Dremel tool and cut a piece off of this blade. This is for a scraper, paint scraper. And I took my little cut-off wheel, cut off me a chunk of this blade. Then I took my little barrel sander from my Dremel tool and I shaped it to where it'll fit into the slot and rounded the corners. But it works. Of course, I can't do this in one hand. I don't know. Maybe I can. I hope you guys can see this. I don't think I can. So, what we'll have to do here . That's it. Nice and straight. One more for fun. All right. Adios.